A black face mask, a velvet tattoo, a safe piercing, quick hair dye, and a simple method to make your lips look fuller? Learn some amazing beauty life hacks in our new video. Blondie is getting ready for an important meeting. Her hair is clean, but she needs to clean her skin with a special face mask. Thank goodness Blondie just made a black face scrub to make her skin clean. Cover activated charcoal pills with lemon juice. Crush the pills with a spoon to get a smooth mixture. Add a spoon of baking soda. Stir the mask. And pour it into a container. Blondie is applying the black mask onto her skin. She's ready to be a new superhero in a mask. Dark colors look great on her. A few minutes and her skin shines. Blondie is ready to conquer the world. Christy notices that her face looks tired. She needs a boost immediately. And here are some aloe eye patches. They even smell healthy. Cut aloe into small rings. Squeeze out the juice. Filter it through gauze. Mix the juice with dissolved gelatin. Pour it onto a plate covered in plastic wrap. Spread out an even layer. Let it harden. Cut out eye patches from the hardened mass, following a template. Put them into a jar and pour in the remaining juice. Christy applies the eye patches, and she feels fresh and cool right away. Now she just has to relax and let her skin rest. Christy's friend visits her home beauty salon while she's sleeping. Christy quickly removes the traces of the jelly under her eyes and sees Jessica's unusual accessory. These are lip balms. But first, we need to get our lips ready using a lip mask, which will make them look fuller. Finally, chop a chili pepper. Melt lip balm in a microwave and mix it with the pepper. Put the lip balm into a pot. It smells spicy. Come on, try it. Apply the lip pepper. It tingles! But you have to keep it on for the sake of beauty. Jessica takes her balm pin off after the lip mask. How convenient! Fill a small flat container with lip balm. Make containers with lip balms of different colors. Paint the cap white. Color it yellow on top. Add emojis with acrylic paints. Coat them with clear nail polish. Hot glue badge pins to the bottom. Attach the lip balm pins to your clothes. The girls are applying their lip balms. You will never lose this lip balm pin, and it will always be nearby, even if you forget your purse at home. Jessica is enjoying Nutella and being cozy, but her friend wants them to go out. Jessica is not in the mood. She looks exhausted and wants to relax. Then Christy comes to the rescue with her new trick. Put 2 tablespoons into a freezer. Christy brings out 2 cold spoons. Is it for Nutella? No way! Place them under your eyes. They help get rid of puffiness and fatigue. Jessica looks fresher. Jessica is putting her hair into a ponytail. Her hair looks gorgeous, but she stretched out all of her friends' hair ties. Christy is not happy. Now she can wrap them around her whole head. Don't worry, Christy. Jessica knows a way out. Cover stretched plastic hair ties with hot water. They quickly go back to their initial shape. Dry them on a paper towel. You just have to bathe the hair ties in hot water. They will become as tight as they were before. The girls are running late to a meeting, and unfortunately, Christy's hair doesn't look fresh. There's not enough time to shower. Jessica suggests using dry shampoo. Mix 3 spoons of cornstarch and 2 spoons of cocoa powder. Add a few drops of tea tree oil. Put the mixture into a vial. Christy sprinkles her hair with the mysterious powder. Then she rubs it in and brushes her hair. A few minutes and her hair looks way better. Christy opened a tattoo salon at home, but her tattoos don't need needles or ink. They are very soft because they are made from velvet. Cut a stencil out of sticker paper. Degrease your skin with rubbing alcohol. Attach the stencil. Apply lash glue to the skin. Take off the stencil. Let the glue slightly dry for 30 seconds. And add velvet powder on top. Spread it over and remove the excess with a brush. Use nail polish remover to wash off the tattoo. Christy is applying velvet to her tattoo. It attracts Jessica's attention. This is so beautiful! She has been dreaming about a temporary tattoo for so long, just as soft and simple as this one. Jessica wants a temporary tattoo of a dolphin. Christy suggests adding some shine. Cut a dolphin silhouette out of sticker paper. Attach the stencil to the clean part of your hand. Apply lash or body glue. Wait half a minute and sprinkle the tattoo with makeup glitter. Use different colors to make color transitions. This tattoo can last up to 2 weeks. Wash it off with nail polish remover. Now we need to take a selfie with our new accessories. These beautiful tattoos deserve a million likes. Blondie wants to brag about her new earrings. Come on, Christy, check out my magnetic earrings. Glue a small round magnet to a big half bead. Use the other magnet as a fastener. Attach the earrings to a paper base. These cute magnetic earrings are a great invention. They will make your ears look amazing even if they aren't pierced. And they can also be a nice little pin on your shirt. But the needle draws Blondie's attention. What is Christy up to? A black magic ritual? It turns out that Christy wants to get some new piercings right now and asks her friend to help. Blondie's nerves can't stand this procedure. No way! Blondie won't let her friend pierce anything at home. She can use safe accessories instead. Unbend a jump ring and cut it. Bend it slightly and polish the edges with a nail file. Christy puts the safe ring onto her lip. It looks exactly like a real lip piercing. She even manages to put it on her tongue. But she will have to keep her mouth shut with this accessory. I think this ring looks better on her lip. What else does my friend have? Cut the pin off a stud earring with pliers. Smooth the sharp end using a nail file. And attach the earring to your skin with lash glue. This nose accessory is very safe. You don't need any piercings. Just glue it to your nose. And a fake septum accessory will decorate your face. Cut a jewelry half ring. Make the bigger part shorter. And file the edges. Use lash glue for fastening. Christy pierces her face without any needles. Her fake piercings look very natural, and it's not painful at all. Blondie is thinking about a career as a hairdresser. She wants to do Christy's hair while she's distracted. Hair clips are so yesteryear. We need something more stylish and impressive. Blondie decided to use a glittering hair print set. Draw patterns on pieces of cardboard: hearts, stars, flowers, and waves. Cut out stencils. Put hairstyling wax into a little container. Cut a piece off a sponge. Put the sponge, the stencils, hair wax, a spatula, and makeup glitter into an organizer. Doing a glittery print is very easy. Christy picks out a stencil. Blondie places it onto her hair. She uses a sponge to apply hair wax and sprinkles it with glitter. Then she presses it in with her fingers and smooths it out using a brush. She takes off the stencil and the print is all done. Christy's hair looks unique. It's time to take sparkling selfies. Blondie wants to make her life brighter and her hair. But she's not ready to dye it. She wants to use glittering hairspray instead. Put bright pigment into a hairspray. Mix it. Blondie applies the spray onto her hair and turns it shiny blue. How cute! But it's not enough for our bright Blondie. She tries out another trick: coloring hair with crepe paper. Cut crepe paper of bright colors into strips. Soak them in hot water. Stir it so that the water gets colored and take out the paper. Blondie puts on gloves and gets down to business. Dip the ends of your hair into the colored water and squeeze out the excess. Your hair becomes brighter right away. Blondie dips the other part of her hair into pink and blow dries it. Now Blondie is ready to live her best life. This hair dye lasts up to a week. That's enough to meet the Joker, grab a baseball bat, and turn into Harley Quinn. Did you like our beauty hacks? Then write in the comments which life hack you'll use to be more beautiful. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new useful beauty hacks on Troom Troom.